In this video, we are going to go into detail regarding the analytics section of BotPenguin. To go to the analytics section, click on analytics on the left hand sidebar and you will be on the analytics dashboard. The analytics dashboard is divided into 5 sections, each focusing on a different aspect of your chatbots. Firstly, the overview. In the overview analytics page, we can see the number of messages that have been sent via all the chatbots that have been created on your account. With leads, we can see the number of leads that have been created through all your chatbots. Going down, we can see that a variety of graphs and information has been represented over here. Firstly, in the analytics summary, we can see the number of messages as well as the number of leads that have been created by all the bots in a weekly fashion. We can select the specific bot we want to see as well as seeing the particular time duration, suppose daily, weekly or monthly, in which the bot was created and the messages and the leads were created. Next, in bot-wise analytics, we can see the summarized details of the messages and contacts from specific bots in either the current billing cycle, the current month, or since the account was created. Here, each of the bot is represented, showcasing the number of messages as well as the number of leads that were created. Going downwards, we will see the WhatsApp analytics. This section demonstrates the total number of conversations that have been had, the number of free conversations, paid conversations, the number of messages that have been sent, and the messages that have been delivered. These can be configured to be showcased in a month, week, or daily fashion. Furthermore, we can add filters to the same WhatsApp analytics where all the connected WhatsApp bots to the account are showcased and the timeline for the analytics can be selected. They can be selected and applied by clicking on the apply button, or they can be cleared by clicking the clear all button. In conversations category analytics, here we can see the type of conversation that our WhatsApp bots have had, including service, marketing, utility, and authentication messages. This is showcased by selecting the bot that you want to see as well as the timeline in which you want to see it. In conversation analytics, we can see the total number of conversations that have occurred over the duration of time specified in the first box. These conversations correspond to the bot that has been selected as well as the time duration in which it is represented. Moving downwards, WhatsApp messages by status showcases the division of WhatsApp messages that have been sent back and forth from a specific bot in a specific time duration. Here we can see that about the same number of messages have been delivered as have been sent. In WhatsApp messages, we can see the number of messages that were sent and the number of messages that were delivered. And lastly, in WhatsApp subscribers, we can showcase the number of subscribers to the WhatsApp conversation that was created. This was the overview of the WhatsApp analytics and furthermore the summary of the overview section of the analytics.